Civic Type R 2021 has right side damage. Right here in door. So that's the damage right there. We're gonna remove that pillar, replace it, and quarter panel fix. Bumper okay. This side just here a little dent. Rest of it's good. Airbags good, no blow in airbags. That's the new project I have right now. What's gonna happen? So far I got this point. This one, everything bent. It's really strong metal. Cannot drill anything. So I decide to probably cut it, and maybe I can undrill it in the bottom right there. This cannot be straight. It's really hard metal. So that's what we're gonna do probably. This side here, we're gonna pull it out. See, maybe I'm not gonna replace this one. Maybe yes, we'll see. It depends how it's gonna pull it out. But main thing it's this post. This pillar, it's really strong. So I have to replace this piece right here. Bottom. So I got so far on this point right now. Remove that piece, bend it. This one is good. I decide probably I'm gonna remove completely panel and fix it right there like this. This piece is gonna be out probably too. We'll see. This is the old one right here, all bent. So this is the car looks like right now. Already remove quarter panel and complete this piece. So far here, that's how I did. Cut it right here by the edge, below. We're gonna cut it same thing, putting welded right here. And here everything weld spots on this side. This part still need to be bent. Maybe I'm gonna replace this piece right here. We'll see if it's gonna be easy to bend this. That's where we're at right now. Okay, I decided to take the motor off. Here is the damage on the frame. This and right here. So what am I gonna do? Now it's gonna be easy to me to fix this one because no motor. I'm gonna replace this piece completely with this. I'm gonna cut it right here, undrill it everything, make it free this stuff, and I'm gonna put a whole piece new one here. Will be whole piece. This piece I'm gonna put new one. From this one parts I have one. This piece right here I'm gonna put it on that one. So it's gonna be easy for me. And frame I'm gonna straighten it up a little bit, make it like supposed to be in the same spot. That's my plan right now. Okay, decide to replace the frame. Just cut it here because it was bent right there. So I cut it for the safety here, and same thing and drill it. Everything here is remove the top piece because this one, like you see right here, it's really bad, really bad. Bottom for the subframe bolt, everything bent. Here same thing, everything bent right there too, right here. So whole this section is twisted. So well, that's where I am at right now, and same thing I'm gonna do from the parts cut it like this, put everything together, line it up, and then weld it. So that's how I am right now and what I'm doing. Okay, already measure everything, cut a piece, put it in everything. So here, weld spots, over there. That's how it's gonna be. Everything matched. Radiator support, reinforcement, in all holes here, everything line up, and here too, exactly like it's supposed to. Now we're gonna start welding. All dots here too, everything match. Same thing here, and this side. So time to weld. welding done. Already grind everything, weld spots, and silicone on it, ready for paint. Everything lined up perfectly. Everything ready. Time to put motor back into the car. Put already motor in and core support, everything lined up. Engine running good, no problem. Okay, finished the front end already. Put radiator support and reinforcement, everything lined up, all good. So my next step right now, I'm gonna go back to the side. That's how I'm gonna work on it right now. I'm gonna finish this side and then weld it, and it's gonna go to paint shop. So far I'm in right now on this thing. We're gonna remove parts from this Civic Type R, doors and side post. Okay, so far I did replace this piece. It was bended. So this one I did. So now I'm gonna ready put this piece back in here. Like this. Is everything lined up? Only thing I have to do, this part, I have to push it back. We're gonna get ready to weld. That's where we at right now. Already installed the middle piece, everything welded, everything bended back. All good. Now we're gonna do quarter panel with the pillar. That's the next step for this car. I put already doors, everything lined up good. So now we're gonna put quarter panel pillar. We're gonna have everything measured and welded. Hopefully this car will be done soon. Okay, already I lined up the quarter panel and side pillar. Everything good. Here's same thing. That's all perfect here. The only thing I have to left, I have to measure the doors, put the doors back on, measure everything, it's everything lined up good, and then we're gonna weld. Here is the final check before I weld it. Doors in, gaps, everything good here. This how it's gonna be. Doors is closed. All gaps good. Same thing rear one. All gaps. So ready to weld. Welding done. Car is ready for bundle and paint. Everything weld, clean it up, weld spots. Everything lined up. Next step, paint. I was working on the front end, try to line up all the gaps and stuff, so looks like everything good. Like you see, all perfect here, here, and this side too. Here too, so we're gonna move a little bit this way. Let's say it should be fine. There is no balls here so far. And also We already finished bundle. We're gonna primer and get ready to paint. Yeah. Already paint the car. Time to put everything together. I already put doors and start working on it. That's how that looks like inside. Door jambs. This side, same thing here. And hood, everything already done. So already finished the car. This looks like it like this.